glimpse of what to expect for someone someday and meet the amazing cast. The excitement of meeting someone someday. And hindi ko na patatagalin. Are you guys excited to meet them? Nako, parang kulang ng energy. It's raining, everybody. Are you excited to meet the cast and directors of Someone Someday? And now, let's welcome the incredible people who brought Someone Someday to life. Please welcome Dolly Dulu! Hi, Dolly! Let's welcome Chad Gonzalez! Ang nag-iisang Dimples Romana! At ang nagbabalik Our Majesty Ma Salvador! Let's give it up for James Reed! And Catherine Bernardo! Hello, everybody! Hi, Kat! Hello, guys! Okay, maybe we can take our seats. And grabe, look at the press. Kahit umuulan, present and on time. Thank you all for being with us today for this very, very special, exclusive Someone Someday sneak peek by Netflix. Tatanungin ko na kayo isa-isa. How are you all today? Ito, nagbabalik na, malapit na, July 24. Ilang tulog na lang, guys. Let's start with Dolly. How excited are you and how are you feeling today?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Sorry. Sobrang excited kasi syempre we've been working for this series for so long. So finally, malapit na ilang tulog na lang. Actually, nagulat nga kami na, so Friday na nga
Oo,
pala.
diba? Ang bilis!
Ang bilis.
Nag-next on Netflix na tayo ng February. Tapos biglang, we're here now. Eto, nagbabalik si Mommy Madge. Madge, how excited are you? Eto na. At mamaya, ang dami namin tanong tungkol sa role mo.
Thank you. Siyempre, Gretchen, excited ako dahil finally, masashare namin ang Someone Someday through Netflix. Mapapanood nyo na yan. Ang bilis. Friday, yung nakaka-start na namin. Di ba, mga promo natin, and now, eto na kami. Malapit nyo nang mapanood. So, exciting.
Excited indeed. And si James, parang, James, sabi mo rin, nandiyo kinakabahan ka sa pagbabalik teleserye. Ngayon ba kinakabahan ka or excited na?
Even more now.
Talaga?
But it's thank you everyone for being here and for supporting the show to Netflix. We're so excited. Yeah, I agree. Time is just flown. It's crazy that we're here right now.
And medyo yung music mo rin mapapakinggan natin dito sa show, di ba?
One of my favorite parts of the show.
Yay! And we will get into that later. And ngayon, Kath, 2022 since Too Good to Be True. And now nagbabalik tayo sa Erika with Netflix for Someone Someday. How excited are you?
Very excited. Hi, Gretch. Good to see you. Hi, guys. Good evening. Yes, I'm very excited. My last series was 2022, correct? And that was during the pandemic. That was actually parang our first partnership then with Netflix and ABS. So it's good to be back. Of course, Netflix keeps on growing, and we're just glad that we're here again to offer a show, and hopefully it will reach parang a wider audience. So thank you to all our press and everyone who made time. Kasi ilang tulog na lang, so we need all the help we can get before namin i-launch officially on Friday.
Malapit na kasi Tuesday na nga ngayon,
Yes.
diba? Sa numbing na lang, ito na. Eh si Dimples, ikaw naman, how excited are you na mapapanood na finally ang Someone
I'm so thrilled. As you know, last time I worked with Catherine was Mana
Ano
Sara
ba 16?
Like we were kids, both of us.
Yes. Dimples ka ba 16 years ago yun?
That's right.
Oh,
Yes,
gosh.
So, nag-abot-abot at umikot na ang lahat. It came full circle for all of us. I'm excited to be working with Direk Chad. I worked with him, pero hindi pa siya director noon. Nasa set pa kami nila Direk Cabby and Madge and James and Direk Dolly. So, now with Netflix, we're so grateful that you're all here tonight. Salamat po for your support.
Thank you. And si Direk, next on Netflix event in February na how exciting it is to share yung core values nating mga Pilipino and with Netflix on a global stage. So, eto na, how do you say how does Pinoy's love a wider audience? Paano natin share with this show itong story ng Someone Someday?
Well, if you get to see the uniqueness of the relationship of our characters, I think it's very true to how us Filipinos treat each other as families, as friends, as workmates, as lovers. And I think that's what will show to the global audience that how we differentiate ourselves from their kind of love.
And how was it working with Netflix for this show?
It's always a pleasure for working with Netflix. Grabe yung dedication and yung quality control and yung paano nila i-curate yung content na how to showcase the talent of the Filipinos to the global stage.
Dolly, ikaw naman, what are you most excited? And sa Netflix, may experience yung kwento. And how fun was it doing the story?
Iko, syempre, exciting siya kasi, diba, Southeast Asia yung release nung Someone Someday. So, hindi na siya, we are kind of growing out of our own market. Diba? We're trying to reach a bigger market. So, it's so exciting for us to see this show, especially, feeling ko, yun nga, someone posted this recently lang na parang, yung surge ng mga series before itong Someone Someday is always about action, diba? Lagi siyang may ganong klase ng feels. Growing up, diba, laging love story or something interesting. Mga yan, nasa love yung main na pinapanood ng mga tao sa TV. Ay ngayon sa Netflix, ito yung pagbabalik ng ganong klase ng lightness. Diba yung ganong klase ng lightness na gusto natin maramdaman yung epekto ng pag-ibig. Kasi I think that's what we need now. But at the same time, yung show kasi namin, hindi lang siya puro lightness. Meron din siyang mixture of yung darkness. So I think you're getting the best of both worlds. Diba? We are introducing something new, at the same time, we are refreshing din sa kung ano na yung nakasanayan pa rin nila ngayon. So parang, it's a good reminder kasi ganun yung show namin. Parang sabi nga nila, you'll feel everything dito sa show namin. So, kikilin ka, kakabahan ka, takot ka, hindi mo na alam. Pero it's gonna be a fun ride, diba? Yun lang naman yung kailangan ng mag-commit nila dun sa relationship ng bawat characters. Kasi I think all the characters bring something different. Iba-iba yung dala nila, iba-iba din yung personality nila, and mix it all together, something magical came out. And that's what we're excited for the people to see.
And I love it pag sa interviews you say that this show is something modern, progressive, feel-good, aside from na may thriller pa siya, na may betrayal at kung anong aksyon, and of course, may love. So talagang tama yung sabi mo andun lahat ng sahong. Now this question goes to Catherine, Maha, Dimples, and giving away too much. Can you please introduce your characters to everybody? And gaano ka complex? Because Maha, I always hear you saying very layered yung role mo. Ikaw naman, Dimples, can you share with us anong aabangan sa character mo dito?
First, I always find it hard to answer a question starting with not revealing too much. Because I think for the show, particularly, what we love about it is that in the same way that the profile of Netflix is when you get into Netflix, you never know what you're gonna get, it's the same way for ours. No? It's like, parang akala mo, alam mo na yung mangyayari, pero hindi pa rin. And for me, as Tita Precious, I think siya yung, siguro without giving away too much,
siya yung tipo ng tao na meron ka sa buhay mo na mas ramdam mo yung pagiging pamilya mo sa kanya kahit di kayo magkadugo. We always have that one person, or maybe 2 or 3 for all of us, na parang, grabe no, itong taong to, laging nandiyan sa akin, mamahalin niya ako, alagaan niya ako, kahit hindi ko siya kadugo. And for me, I think particularly that is my character as Tita Precious in terms of relation with Kat. Hanggang doon na lang yung kikwento ko.
Hindi ko natatanungin kung mabait ka o hindi. Hanggang doon na lang daw. Kasi may mga twists and turns.
May kalawang team.
May kalawang team ka?
Oo, mabigla ka.
Sa kusina.
Sige, aabangan natin kung sino yung ka-love team mo. Now, si James, what about you? Without giving too much away, can you share with us?
So bad at that. Okay. Can't give too much away. I play Jordan Valentin. For me, Jordan is the kind of person where he always tries to do the right thing. Always. He has a very strong moral compass, and it's very. What's the word I'm looking for? It's very honorable, actually. Jordan is a very honorable character, very loyal, and what I like about him the most is his passion for music. You know, how he expresses himself through writing songs.
So you could relate. Do you see a part of you?
I can relate because in real life I wrote those songs.
How many songs can we expect na? I think sabi mo 5?
4 or 5.
4 or 5, di ba? Yeah.
Yes. We'll see.
Maybe
Maybe 6.
James, kinikilig ka ba na part yung songs mo ng project na ginagawa mo?
I'm super honored that my music was able to make it into the show. I've been focusing on music for the last 5-6 years. So being able to integrate that into a project of this scale, I'm super honored.
I'm just curious, were you the one who told, Direk, put naman my music, or was he the one who said, can we put your music in the show?
I'm not sure. I definitely fought for it. Yeah, I really
Hindi
wanted
si
to.
James talaga, ilagay niyo sa sound yung music ko. But how long were your last teleserye was about 10 years?
Currently 10 years ago.
Wow.
Right.
So coming into the set, were you nervous on the first day?
I was nervous from when they first pitched it to me. And they said that Catherine would be part of it. I think I was nervous from that point. But I'm super grateful. It's been 10 years, and the trust that ABS-CBN and Dreamscape have in me to be able to do this project, and of course, I thank you so much to Cap as well for accepting this project. And yeah, I'm super grateful.
Thank you, James. Si Kat naman, from 2022, ngayon nagbabalik teleserye. I think you have some adjustments also. Siyempre, iba ang pag-shoot ng teleserye. And anong Catherine ang mapapanood namin dito sa Someone Someday?
Adjustments, yes, there were a lot of adjustments, and actually, I think ito yung longest na parang usually kasi it takes like, a couple of taping days to warm up and to feel homey on set. But for this one, it took a while. Maybe because matagal na rin since my last serie. And when you say you're doing a TV series, we all know that it's a different world, diba? Pag sa movie. And ito sa serye, siguro new environment din for me. Like, first time working with James, with Ate Madge, with our directors as well. And then I'm back with Dreamscape after Manat Rolala, which was 16 years ago. So, ang daming bago. So, medyo matagal ako nag-warm up and also to get to know my character. And then your other question about my character, so I play the role of Billy Carino. So I guess you've all seen the trailer, and we also launched our poster too yesterday. So I'd like to use that as my reference na lang. So as you can see, si Billy as a CEO muna, she's one of the founders of Lovelist. As a boss, she's very she knows what she wants. She's very independent. She is a go-getter. she's the type of girl na may plano siya sa buhay. She's like that kapag sa love list, pag sa office. Pero just like kung anong nakita niyo sa poster, it's like the many faces of Billy, because feeling ko ganun tayo, especially women, we wear a lot of masks, right? Like, I'm like this when I go to the office, I'm like this when I'm at home, I'm like this when I'm with my friends, and I think ganun si Billy. So she's like this kapag sa office, and then once she gets home, nandiyan na si Tita Press, yung sinasabi ni Ate Dims kanina. Konting-konti lang, meron siyang pamilya. So pag sa bahay, makikita niyo na she's like the complete opposite of the girl boss you see in Loveless. And also, pag kasama niya si Jordan, yung safe space niya, the best friend niya, which is James' character, it's a different mask na ibibigay din ni Billy. So ang daming layers na character niya, iba rin siya sa mga taong medyo alam niyo niloloko siya. So I think it's interesting because we made sure that Billy is just like us. She's human and she's not, I think, the typical lead character na makikita natin. And feeling ko ito yung pinakamaraming layers din na na-portray ko when it comes to TV series. That's why I enjoy creating Billy.
Ako, excited tayo mapanood yan, Catherine.
Yeah.
Nakakapagod siguro yung maraming layers na nun.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Diba?
It's tiring, really. Kasi kailangan ko siya
Switching.
real,
Yes.
switching. And then iba yung dynamics na sa bawat character. So minsan, tatanong ko sila, so paano pag tayo, right? It's hard to balance it. Pero I think the challenge naman, lahat naman tayo likes the challenge, and it's very fulfilling once you've done something or feeling ko nagawa ko yung kailangan sa eksena. But yes, it takes a lot of courage, a lot of effort, and so much more.
And it's so refreshing kasi first time rin makatrabaho si Madge and si James.
First time, yes. Si Ate Dims lang actually nakatrabaho ko sa lahat ng
Yes.
cast, I think. Pero lahat kami first. Yeah.
Meron bang kapaan in the beginning, getting to know, ganon? Or
Yes,
meron.
Yeah, meron. For sure.
Meron?
Yeah. Kasi I've known Ate Madge for quite some time now, but I know Ate Madge as like, you know, my sister in the industry, and Ate Dims also. Pero iba naman talaga kapag nasa set tayo. So, iba kung paano mo kilalanin yung isang artista na katrabaho mo. And syempre, may adjustments din doon kung paano kami. But you know, overall, siguro one thing in common sa aming lahat, we're all hungry. We want this to work. And it's the project that we're all parang fully committed. So, yun yung humahawak sa amin lahat.
Ang laking bagay ng hungry, no? Yung excited ka. Parang Madge, di ba? Since you became a mom, ito yung show mo ulit. It's your comeback also. So, hindi nagigil ka ba? Bumalik sa set. Hindi nagigil. Oo. Kasi diba, syempre, your old characters, yung mga characters na tumatak talaga sa'yo, talagang larger than life, ganyan. But dito sa Someone Someday, ano may expect namin kay Maha?
Without
Spoiling?
I'll try ha. Kasi nung isang video ko, hirap na hirap. Pero siguro, yung sinabi mo, Gretch, kung gigil, andun yung talagang kinusap ko si Kat. Tapos sabi ko, nag-thank you nga ako kasi she said yes na makasama ako dito sa Someone Someday. Tapos sabi ko, babe, parehas tayong gutom. So parang, yes ate, so nag-usap kami magtutulungan, ganyan sa scenes. And then, yung gigil na ginawa mo, feeling ko kayo yung magigigil sa akin.
Sa trailer pa lang, medyo hindi ko maintin. Takot ako sa'yo, bad ka ba?
Sabihin na lang natin, ako po si Abby dito. At si Abby ay hinahanap yung lugar niya sa mundo ni Billy. So abangan niyo kung tatanggapin ko siya ni Billy o hindi. And then, subaybayan niyo na po. Ganun lang ate yung masasabi ko.
Pero hindi naman to spoil, but I remember you saying that even if, kunwari, medyo yung character mo kainisan, mamahalin mo pa rin siya. I remember you saying that because there's something about yung character mo na mapapamahal din sila.
Siguro yun yung
galing ng mga Pinoy, ng ating mga creatives, ating mga writers, at yung mga directors namin, yung alam nilang balansehin. Kasi sa buhay naman natin, dumadaan talaga tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng dark cloud, di ba? Pero nandun yung, ikaw, forever ka ba dyan mag-stay? Or sino makakapagpabago sa'yo? May ganyan. So, madami. Ang hirap, Gretch.
Ang directing nga, no? Abangan na lang natin talaga paano mag-unfold ang kwento. Gabi-gabi.
Yes, kaya excited ako. Talagang na-challenge ako gawin yung role ko. Kasi grabe yung journey niya. So, dun ako excited na mapanood nyo at in-uncover nyo yung journey ni Abby.
Yan. Si ano naman, baka may masabi pa sila. Liipat na ako na direct ngayon ng Tree Dolly. Direct siya. Your scene or moment during production that helped build your chemistry.
Well, like Kat mentioned earlier, we didn't get, this is our first time working together. So unlike with Ate Madge, you know, we have a clean space. You know, we have a clean slate to work from. And to be honest, going into like our roles is like best friends since childhood. So jumping right into that wasn't easy. We had a lot of help from the whole cast actually to help break the ice and
Ang tagal mag-break ng ice talaga nila. Ang laki ng ice.
Expensive yung
and to really help build the relationship of Billy and Jordan, because it's such an important relationship throughout the whole series. But I don't know what the question is anymore. But I think the scene, first impression.
Yeah.
I don't think I had too many. I think what's the word I'm looking for? Preconceptions, is that the right word? About Kath before working together. Other than, you know, that she's very talented, but being able to work with her on the show, how much attention she has to the details, to the story, the perfectionist in Kath, I super appreciate, especially with this project and it being my first project back in so long. I think that was extremely helpful to me. And I think the other part was, what's the scene?
Yeah, na medyo nag-bonding. So, you wanna break yung ice? Meron ba?
I think for me it was the one in the car, the one in the trailer.
Ah, really?
About that.
Okay.
Yeah, just because it was so crazy and yes. The scene that we have in the trailer where Billy is like racing, I think that scene was so fun. It was a nice icebreaker.
Okay, thank you, James.
Yeah, I know.
Nandito yung backup namin dalawa.
Our managers.
Ikaw naman, Catherine, do you have any first impressions kay James and paano kayo na, you know, yeah.
First impression, I expected James to be really shy. And I was right. He's very shy. I'm the type of person pa naman na, you know, it takes a while for me nga to warm up. And usually, may isa na mag-break na ice. So the problem with us, sino?
Walang gusto mo na?
So parang, I'm shy, he's shy. So paano natin to? Paano to? Kasi dapat childhood best friends kami. So,
It was a group effort.
yeah, it was a group effort. And also, I think nag-work din yung we didn't force anything. Because I think anything that's forced, the audience will see it. And we don't want to, alam mo, naarapin mo lang na, okay, you're best friends, you're very comfortable. So I think personally, kung anong nakatulong sa akin, I tried to create the world ni Billy and ni Jordan. So when we are on set, and then when the director says action, it's like, okay, this is Billy and Jordan talking. And then once cut na, back to, you know, James and Kat. And I think it worked naman. Kasi we were able to, yun yung maganda rin pag sa serye, you have time to create and to, you know, get to know each other. Now I'm more. Parang I know James, not so much still. Kasi ang hirap kasi wala kaming common friends, wala kaming common projects in together, so wala talagang very unfamiliar si James sa akin. But now, every taping, I got to know him more, and then I'm just curious about him. I think it helped too. Kasi if you're too familiar with the person, iba rin kung paano mo siya tingnan. So I think nakatulong din siya na hindi ko naman siya intention when I look at James. Okay, ganito pala siya. Ganito siya mag-prepare for a role, mag-process ng emotions. And it's nice to witness that during taping. So yeah, it helped creating the world of Billy and Jordan. Na it's really different from Kath and James. So you get to see both. You see Kath and James today, and then on Friday you get to see and enter the world of Jordan and Billy. So I hope you enjoy because it's a beautiful friendship they have talaga.
And ang ganda rin, slow burn like you said, because ang daming episodes. Maraming time. Maraming time. This episode, Dims, grabe na damdam ko yung iyak mo talaga.
At saka meron ang ganda ng Christmas natin. Yun yung sinasabi ko na parang hope na hope ka kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung next na mangyayari. Tsaka, Ressa.
President, Vice President.
Tama na? Lari
Pero alam mo, naririnig ko yung mga dito. Ang dami mga reactions. James, anong pakiramdam mo na nakita mo yun?
This is the most I've watched of our shows. I don't watch the rushes, I don't watch the takes. I don't know why I struggle seeing myself on screen, but this is the most I've seen of the show so far, and wow, I'm really excited to watch it. I love the intro. My favorite part is Tita Press.
Kasi feel na yung napipili ko.
Yes, but yeah, I think from that alone, it's a great introduction to the characters, and yeah, I'm really excited to see it.
Ang
Hope you guys are too.
James, feeling ko nga icebreaker niyo sa kotse. Stress din. Match, ikaw, ano reaction mo? I know, natutuwa ka sa'yo. Kilig, di ba?
Oo, kilig. Tsaka doon ako hindi niyo nakita.
Nasa yung church.
Parang kailangan yung panoorin ulit. Akala niyo hindi ako part ng 59. Hindi niyo nakita, promise? Nakita ko yung self ko. So, kailangan talaga yung abangan. Sa Friday.
Sa Friday,
Pero kilig,
yes.
no?
Super kilig.
Ay, pero ano yung dalawa?
Tsaka yung pagpasok ng car, di ba? Yung sa wedding car, tapos yung tingin ng nila, yung hindi ko ma-explain. Anong tawag sa titig ba yun kay James? Ano yan? Anong tawag doon ka?
Ewan ko. Parang titig, pero did you like the first 15 minutes? That's just a glimpse of the world of someone someday. So, ayun, marami kayong mararamdamang emotions, and it's so beautiful kasi dun sa pilot week pa lang namin, sobrang ng siksik. So, siksik, translate na lang kay James. What's siksik?
Mano, please translate.
And message you later. Pero you feel everything. So nakita niya na yung glimpse, paano siya sa mga kaibigan niya, how she is with Jordan, paano siya sa mga tao na loko sa kanya. So, yeah, welcome to the world of Billy and of course sa lahat. So, sana nagustuhan niyo.
Nagustuhan niyo ba? Pero tatanungin ko si Direk Chacha at si Direk Dolly, yung tingin ba ni Catherine, anong motivation and direction yung kapasok yung car na nakagaling kay James? Anong tawag doon?
Di ba sabi? Tawag na gano'n. Parang syempre kung si James naman titignan, kung mapapaganon ka din. So I think, kung si Cathy naman tignan mo, mapapaganon ka din.
Oo.
So I think that's, yun yung aabangan na lang nila. Kung ano yung meaning ng mga titigang iyo.
Direk Chacha, do you want to add anything more?
I would say shoot din.
Yeah.
Para, syempre may ilang pa rin in between ng times na yun. So parang, I remember yan, kwento ka ni Kat na parang that day, hindi niya alam na yan, naka 60 frames or slow motion. So parang, medyo parang na-awkward siya sa pagtingin. Pero yun nga, parang nakuha naman na yung, sa direction ko lang naman is, we're not, ano ba, parang she's seeing her best friend for the long time. For the long time. And yung appreciation niya na nandun yung best friend niya. So,
Pero direct achieve, tama ka, gano'n. Yun yung tawag natin doon sa shotgun. Sa mata ni Catherine, gano'n.
Parang ikaw na yun eh.
Hindi ko na ipakiramdam ko sa hindi ko sa O, eto na. Okay, so again, thank you that you joined us for that. Kayo, una nakakita niyan with the cast, sila rin first time dinala, and I'm sure everyone can agree that we're all excited and we can't wait for Friday and the next episodes. So, Kath, can I please ask you to invite everyone to watch the premiere of Someone Someday on Netflix?
Yes, it's finally happening. We are inviting everyone to please support and watch our show Someone Someday on Netflix. First drop po yan. First episode will be on Friday. So kung nabitin kayo, you can catch it there. I can't wait for everyone to experience Billy's extraordinary world. It's a story about growth, love, and so much more. And also the dangers that come with it. So please don't miss the premiere on July 24. That's on Friday. And again, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being here and just enjoy the show.
Thank you, Kath. And